Hello scrapers, want to collect and analyze Airbnb guest reviews? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Airbnb Reviews Scraper inside the official Outscraper node for n8n, so let's dive right in. First, open your n8n instance and create a new workflow. Next, add a trigger to your workflow. For this example, we will use a chat trigger, but you can use any trigger that suits your needs. Now, connect an Outscraper node and click Get Reviews from Airbnb. Configure it so that the chat trigger serves as an input for your Outscraper node. I'll use this example Airbnb listings to get reviews. Let me paste this link in the chat trigger so we can start our workflow. As you can see, it only get one result, so we need to use a split out node to get the data individually. So let's split it out, and as you can see, we get the data individually. Finally, let's append this to a database. For this example, I'll use the n8n native database, but you can use a Google Sheet for this part. So let's use an n8n database, then insert a row. Next, let's choose a row that we're gonna use. So I prepared it already, Airbnb reviews. Then we'll get the ID, the reviewer name, their ratings, and their comments. Let's execute this workflow to append it to our database. Then let's check it to our database if it's appended already. Let's go here, database. And that's it. That's how you use the Airbnb Review Scraper in n8n Outscraper official node. Head over to Outscraper and try our free tier. Happy scraping!